at Quartz Creek. The left track of Jack's beloved 400 is locked up, and it's stuck in the creek.
Oh!
The only way to get it out is if Dave can get the two vehicles in line.
Hold on, Jack. Set down and swing your carriage over. There you go, Jack. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good. That's good.
Uh-oh. Holy crap.
Don't tip it over, man.
Dave and Jack finally get the 400's tracks facing the right way. Then they try the D8 one more time.
Put the ripper down and I'll try it.
Good.
This time, the 400 and the D8 are lined up. They get the 400 to dry ground, but the left track is still locked.
It's a major catastrophe. We can't be without it. We need it. This thing is really, it's a critical piece of equipment for us.